Hey, welcome back everyone to another episode of the Hogers. Today we are going to do a review on the Comica Boom XD. This is an open box and review. It's never been opened and you're going to see us do that right now. So let me find something to cut the plastic with. Hope all you guys been doing alright. Everything's been swell here. Let's see. I'm going to show you we got to cut the plastic. That way you know it's sealed. It's never been opened. So you and I, or y'all and I, we're going to learn this together on how this thing is. So let's open it on up here. See what we got. It's a little devil getting open. Oh wow! First of all, that's a really nice case that they have in there. There's nothing else in the box. But that is a really nice case that comes in. Okay, so let's unzip it. I'll show you what's in there first. Something just fell out. Alright, let's go check out what just fell out. Looks like the user manual. There's something else. What is this? Oh, that's a warranty card. So you get to fill that out, and then they have some sort of doodabber here. Okay, passcode. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's just their logo or something. I don't know. And here is the manual. So you get to see that. I guess. I don't know. You've seen it before I am. So what is it? It's in English. Holy smokes! I'll be dadgummit, it is. Mother truckers, it's in English. Normally they have several different languages in there, you know what I'm getting at. We're in America, guys. Let's just make it all English. But I guess, you know, this stuff gets shipped all over the world, so they have to have multiple types of language in there. Okay, so the very first one, you got 3 of them in here. Looks like the first one is a transmitter, I believe. Yes, the first one's the transmitter. And then you got a receiver 1 and a receiver 2, or either way, 2, 1, it doesn't matter. They'll as long as they hook up. Okay, in the top here, we got some stuff up in there, so let's pull this out and see what's up there. Okay, in one packet, we've got, I'm trying to open it up. There we go. Looks like a stereo 8mm or 3mm plug. We'll find out what that goes for. Let's see what we got next. Let's see what this is. This feels like a much longer cord. Oh, this is a lapel. That's a lapel mic. And wow, it comes with a really nice Velcro you know, thing to keep it together, you know, when you spool it up or whatever. So that's cool. Also same plug on it. All right, let's check. Let's see what else we got. Maybe we got another one. I don't know. Hey, well, I'm learning what's in this box just like you guys are. So I don't know. Feels like, yep, it's another one. So same thing. You know, got the same thing. Okay, so that's 2 so far. That is 2 lapel mics. Now, you don't have to use these as far as the lapel mics. You don't need those. Those are really only if you're outside and got a little wind, you know, going behind you. See, you got your little socker on there, wind sock, noise canceller. All right, let's see what this is. It looks like we got another one of these jacks. So that means we have 2 of those. So it comes with 2 of those and 2 lapels. So far so good. Alright, now let's see what is in this package. Well, it looks like a cat. And it is cat sock. And that's sticky. It won't come, oh, see? So it looks like on the back side, that's where it falls in. So that's one. Let's see. Trying to get this little bitty thing out. Well, I dropped it. Hang on. I got clumsy fingers tonight. Let's see. Things are really hard to open up. I think we got another one though. I believe we do. Yes, we got another one. So that makes two. So there's another one. So there's two of them. And they both have the same bases on there. Okay. So now we got this bigger bag. Let's see what this bigger bag is. This looks like charging cables. And it's several different ones. There's one in there that's like an orange color. So let's open this up. Let's just take it. Oh, look at this. Look at this. There's your USB. And then it goes to 3 USB-Cs. So I don't know why the orange. Why do you put one orange and two black? I don't know. It's not really going to make any difference because it's still plugged into the same USB. So that's cool. That's neat. All right, let's look at our transmitter. Let's check that out. Try to give you an all the way around view of it so you can see what it looks like. Hopefully the lighting is good enough to. So you got your little spring-loaded clip on the back, and there's your power button, and this will be your, that'll switch it from mono, stereo, mute, all that stuff, and then there's your USB-C charger right there. Let's turn it on, see if it'll fire up. I'll face it over to you while I'm trying to turn it on. Let's see what it'll do. Looks like it come on, and it looks like it's got a full battery. Do you see that? Right there. Looks like it's got a full battery. Huh. All right, we'll press and hold it. Well, no, let's do this first. Let's press and hold it. Let's turn it back on. Let's see. Press and hold it and turn it back on. All right, there it goes. Now, let me see. Guess it won't do anything until I have. I guess maybe I need one of the receivers on. Okay, here's one of the receivers. And is powering on. Okay. All right, now that's powered on. Now if you look, this is the transmitter, and as I'm talking you can see that the audio, it's receiving the audio. Also on the receiver, you see where it's transmitting as well. But do you also see where it says mono? Let's see if we can change that to stereo. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so this top button right here that you use to power it on, you're going to press that, and it's going to press it once, and then I think it changed it to stereo. Press it again, and it changed it to safety. I don't know what the safety is. Press it again, and it goes to mono, and then if you press it one more time, it should go back to stereo. So yes, that goes to stereo. So those two are connected. So let's leave these here like this. All right, let's get the second one. Okay, let's press and fire it. See if it comes on. All right, is it on stereo? I guess. I don't know. You can look at this, and while I'm talking, put both of them here, you can see that both of them are receiving audio. Okay, so let's let's plug this sucker up to the camera, because you can tell how I'm talking now, but we only need one of these. So let's just power one of them off, because we only need one. Okay, now that's one of these cables right here. This is what we're going to need. So give me just a minute. I'm going to plug it up and I'll be right back with you, okay? Okay, now let's get this mic over here. I think you should be receiving me. I just have just the mic here. Now we have got this plugged up. You see the cable on it. It's plugged up into the GoPro, and you see that it is receiving audio. It's bouncing back and forth like, you know, stereo bars or whatever, and it is set to stereo. Okay, so I'm just going to put this right here like that, and just kind of, you know, just sit back and talk normal at a normal tone. See if y'all notice the difference in the audio. See if you like it. I don't know. I have to go back, you know, when I go to edit it and see what it sounds like, because I don't know. I don't have a clue. I do have an air conditioner that's running in the background. I'm sure y'all can hear that. So what we're going to do is let's put the little windsock on there and see what happens. And, you know, it's kind of squared. So is the top of the microphone. Well, it's rectangle, to be honest with you. Let's see how well it fits on. You know what? It fits on there really, yes, really well. Okay. Set this back up here again. Okay. Now, see how that sounds. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these at, and it's off Amazon. We do a lot of recording, and I've got a couple other channels. You know, I know R&L Guns and Ammo channel. There's another channel I do with my wife, and then I've got this one, which is the Hoger channel. So we do a lot of recording, and we're always out trying to get new equipment, because we wear our stuff out. You know, we've got, let me show you. We got these. I think they're pronounced Synco. You know, and we've got Rode. And, you know, they're all great microphones. They all work great. But, you know, after a while, a period of using them over and over and over, you know, the batteries just start losing their life expectancy, and they just go down. I think the life expectancy on these is, I think, 4 hours. I can't remember correctly. Let's see, it's not going to say it on the box either, is it, dude? Nope, it's not. Nope, it's not going to say it. Okay, well, anywho's, y'all have heard what it sounds like, and I'll put the link in the description below so y'all can find it if you need to, if you're interested in getting your set. And again, it's the Comica Boom XD. It's the D2 version. So I can't say it's very nice. I can't say it's awesome. I can't say how it works. The only thing I can tell you that we will use this in the next couple, 2 or 3 weeks, and we'll come back with a update on what we think what we think on it. So anywho's, I hope this helps all you guys out there that are looking to buy these things and you're searching for some reviews. Hopefully this will help you, and you can make your determination on the decision if that's what you want to get. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we'll see all of you on the next one.